Hey, it's Mark and welcome to Tango. Since 2020, we've helped hundreds and thousands of users document millions of workflows, and we've learned a thing or two, and we're here to help you do the same. We've created the most simple way to capture, share, and even automate your most complex work processes so people know exactly what to do and where to do it. This way, everyone becomes an expert, follows a process, and nobody wastes time looking for information. Creating in Tango is simple. Open up any one of your online tools, launch our Chrome extension, go through your process, and Tango will automatically capture each step and create a beautiful and simple to follow step-by-step guide. You can then share that guide with your team in a bunch of different ways. But sometimes sharing your process isn't enough. With Guide Me, Tango actually walks your team through the process step by step by highlighting each step of the process with our beautiful little orange box so everybody follows the process to a T and nobody wastes time. But sometimes that's not even enough, and that's why we created pins. You can actually pin a Tango right inside your tools. So anybody in your company opens up a tool, they'll see a pinned Tango that will give them all the information they need or help guide them through a process right inside the tools. And for those of you looking to dip your toes into AI or agentic work, you can follow the same capture process to create an AI agent that automates your busy work for you. With Tango agents, you simply capture your process once, automate it next time, and the agent will do the busy work for you. Tango was built to help you be your best at work. So welcome to our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe and watch our videos below. And if you need anything, just reach out. I'm Mark. Let's Tango.